time I dressed up for a party or even wore any kind of casual outfit, people used to say like, how you dressed up so correctly and so perfectly. अगर हम लोग ये चीज पहनेंगे तो शायद हम पे वो चीज इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. So I just want to say to those people that it is not necessary कि जो मैंने पहना है वो आप पे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You should try it. You should try every kind of outfits. Why? Because you should be knowing about what kind of body type you have and what kind of body style you have. Sometimes मैं ऐसे outfits choose करती हूँ जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मुझ पे इतने अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, but when I go out and people compliment me, then I will wear those kind of styling outfits again and again. Why? Because I know that मुझे लोगों ने इस outfit पे बहुत compliment किया. तो अगर मैं इसी टाइप का कुछ mix match outfit बनाऊंगी, then people gonna love it, and I'm gonna stand out in a very beautiful way, right? So you just need to know about your body type and your body size. According to that, you should be knowing about your style. Like I always used to like manage to figure it out that what kind of outfit gonna look good on me, because I know my body type, I know what I can pull off, and I know that what kind of outfit gonna look so gorgeous on me, right? And number two, that I won't be shop those outfits which looks good but that doesn't look good on me. So मैं जब भी मार्केट जाती हूँ, अगर मुझे कोई भी आउटफिट जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं उस आउटफिट को सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं खरीद लेती, राइट? आई वोंट वेस्ट माई मनी ऑन दैट आउटफिट जो मुझे दिखने में अच्छा लग रहा है बट वो शायद मुझ पे अच्छा ना लगे, राइट? सो आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इट कि क्या ये आउटफिट मुझ पे अच्छा लगेगा. वो आउटफिट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, दैट लुकिंग सो स्पार्कलिंग, सो गॉर्जियस आउटफिट, बट क्या वो मुझ पे अच्छा लगेगा? I need to think about it, right? So hi guys, I am Charu, your girl for all kind of videos, whether it's fashion, makeup, dance or anything. So if you are liking my videos, keep subscribing me, keep commenting, keep sharing my videos to more and more people. Let's go to the first tip. So my first tip is choose the outfit which is so colorful and vibrant. Like you should be having a different kind of wardrobe for the colorful kind of outfits. We can say that, which my term to that outfits are capsule colorful wardrobe. So you should be having that capsule colorful wardrobe because you cannot always be wearing black, always be wearing brown or grey every time. I know most of the people के favorite colors में आता है black, white, grey and brown. ये 4 colors ऐसे हैं जो बहुत ही subtle लगते हैं और सब पे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. But you should be having some colorful outfits. Colorful outfits doesn't mean only that colors into that or something. There should be something like which is very different. Right? जैसे आजकल जो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है, that is the flared pants, right? So you should be having a different colors of flared pants. You can mix match it with different outfits, right? So you should be having a different wardrobe for that colorful capsule outfits in which you're having the most like peppy colors, pop colors like pink, neon pink, orange, royal blue. You should be having these kind of outfits because ये outfits इन जनरल पहनने में शायद इतने ज्यादा नहीं आते हैं, अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, बट इट लुक्स रियली गुड ऑन यू. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप अगर ऐसे पॉप कलर्स वाले आउटफिट्स पहनोगे और ट्राई टू वेयर पॉप कलर्स ऑन द अपर साइड एंड एट द लोअर यू शुड बी वेयरिंग वेरी पेस्टल विद समथिंग लाइक फ्लरी एंड पेस्टल बिकॉज इट लुक्स अमेजिंग एंड आई यूज्ड टू वेयर दैट. You should also be having some kind of like crop tops in a pop color. You should be having some shirts, oversized t-shirts. It looks really good. और I'm not saying कि आपको यही चीजें होनी चाहिए आपके wardrobe में, आपके capsule wardrobe में, पर आपके capsule wardrobe में वो चीजें actually होनी चाहिए जो शायद आप बचते हो पहनने से. You think कि आपके पे वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but trust me, when you try it, it will look good on you. It's just that लोग जब हमें देखते हैं ना तो लोगों को कुछ चीज़ों की आदत हो जाती है, राइट? सो पीपल नो, लाइक अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, मुझे लोगों ने देखा है एथनिक ज्वेलरीज में, सो दे नो कि चारू मीन्स एथनिक ज्वेलरीज, दे लव इट, दे ऑलवेज लव इट. बट एंड वेन एवर आई वोर इट, पीपल यूज टू से लाइक कि हम पहनेंगे तो हम पे वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. नो, it will look good on you. You should try every kind of outfits actually, and you should be knowing that आपको किन outfits पे ज़्यादा compliments मिल रहे हैं, right? Let's move to our second tip. Okay, so my second tip is keeping an eye on those outfits on which you looks good. सेम थिंग जो मैंने भी आपको बताया भी था, दैट आपको हर तरह का आउटफिट ट्राई करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आप जब डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स ट्राई करोगे, यू स्टैंड आउट इन फ्रंट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल, देन यू विल गेट टू नो कि हाँ, मुझे इस आउटफिट पे लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया था, दैट मीन्स मेरे ऊपर ये काइंड का आउटफिट बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो यू कैन वेयर दैट आउटफिट एट सेवरल ऑफ टाइम. Not the same outfit, but you can mix and match and you can wear that same style of outfit. So style should not change, but you can mix match with the colors, right? Let's move to our third tip. So the third tip is style with the trend. So I know trend में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जो शायद हम पे इतनी ज्यादा नहीं अच्छी लगती, and trend comes from outside, or everybody knows that, right? So बहुत ज्यादा अभी ट्रेंड में जैसे चल रहा है बैगी जीन्स, बैगी ओवरसाइज टी शर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, there should be a balance in the outfit, right? If you are wearing a oversized t-shirt, you should wear something skinny at the bottom, because if you are wearing a baggy downwards and oversized t-shirt, I used to wear it at home. Seriously, I'm saying that I used to wear these kind of outfit at home only. I can't go outside and wear something baggy and something upward also baggy. Yeah, I can wear like baggy jeans with a crop top. It can be like oversized crop top, but it is a crop top, right? But I can't wear a oversized long t-shirt with a baggy jeans. It doesn't look good. And according to the fashion industry as well, there should be a 40% of your body skin which should be visible in your outfit, right? So the 60% should be covered and the 40% of the skin type should be visible. So if you are wearing a deep neck top, so you should always be wearing a full length bottom, because if you are wearing a deep neck top, cleavage top, and you're wearing a shorts or a skirt with it, it will look really weird and it doesn't look that much good, right? So you need to understand the difference between your everyday wearing outfit, your outfit towards the traveling part, and your outfits toward the beach and all those areas where you can wear those kind of outfits. So you need to think about this also. So we come to that point as well. Most important thing which I really want to say, again and again I'm saying this, that you should be knowing about your body type. It is really very important to know about the body type. In my next vlog or in my next vlog, I will talk about the body type as well. If you guys want me to talk about it, you can tell me in the comment section as well if you want to know about it. So now our number 4 tip, which is really very important, at least for me it is, that you should be wearing some kind of accessories with each and every kind of outfit. Accessory gives a very nice and upgraded look to your outfit. So you need to think about it. You need to think that what kind of outfit you are wearing, and with that what kind of jewelry can go, right? With the western outfit you can wear the ethnic bohemian jewelries also. I will show you in some of my upcoming videos as well that how can you dress up with the ethnic outfit a western jewelry, as well as with the western outfit the ethnic jewelry. There should be a different kind of outfits in your wardrobe. Every style should be there in your wardrobe, so that you should be knowing that what kind of outfit looks good on you. Like for me, I tried each and every kind of outfits. to know, just to know that what kind of outfit looks good on me. Like people used to say, आज तुम इतनी ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं लग रही हो. Okay, fine, एक बार बोल दिया ना बंदे ने, क्या हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होगा यार. You should wear it. आपको हर तरह का आउटफिट चूज करना चाहिए, आपको हर तरह के आउटफिट में घूमना चाहिए, ट्रैवल करना चाहिए, सो दैट यू शुड बी नोइंग कि आप पे कौन सा आउटफिट अच्छा लगता है और कौन सा आउटफिट अच्छा नहीं लगता. That's all for today, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching and I love you so much.